Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to add PDF documents into your site on Wix. So firstly, of course, press on this pencil and go to the website editor. And after that I will show you. So guys, pretty much how this is done is you need to add a new element. So press on the plus. After that you will see this menu. So what we are interested in is the embed code, this little tab. Just hover your mouse over it, then scroll all the way down until you see PDF Viewer. So as you can see, this button will allow us to easily upload and display PDF files on your site. So add to site. Okay, adding the PDF Viewer, and it's going to prepare the layouts. So this is our layouts. So as you can see, this is going to be just our welcome message. So we can pretty much just remove this, of course, we don't need this. So instead of this thing, we can just press on Upload PDF. This little new window will pop up and then just add file. And in here, you can pretty much just drag and drop your files into this section. So just press on Upload Media and upload a PDF file to your computer. After you're done, just in this little window, you can choose your file and add it, just drag and drop it to any part of your site that you want. You can also create a completely new page. So you can just add element, then create a new page. So just create a new page or just place it anywhere you want, and you will have your PDF displayed very easily to the viewers of your website like this. Enjoy guys, if this helped, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.